That is not on. We're going to have to do something about that. Hey guys, Jonathan here at Shadow Foam, and we're not at Shadow Foam today. We're having a change of scenery. We're actually on the road. We're in a hotel in Salisbury. We've travelled down south to see some of our suppliers, and we've just got back to the hotel, and the fridge is as empty as a dicky bird. We can't be having that, so we've got to do things the Shadow Foam way. And Matt had the great idea of doing a portable minibar, the ultimate portable minibar.
To alcohol, the cause of and solution to all of life's problems.
So as it happens, I never go anywhere without a case. Some foam sheets perfectly cut to go inside said flight case, and a cutting kit to cut the foam. The only thing that's missing is a whole ruck of booze to go inside this minibar. Yeah. Right, some use this is on the bed. Let's get it all laid out and see what we've got. Right, so we've got all the layout sorted. This is going to be the bottom section, and this has got all your kind of major brands, all your recognisable brands. We've got whiskies, we got gins, we got different kind of whiskies, some single malts, some blendeds, we've got rum. We've got up here Jack Daniel's, my favourite, a few other bits, a few liqueurs. This top section here is pretty much all schnapps from Germany. I picked them up like about 2 years ago actually when I was in Germany. So it was really handy that I had them with me at this hotel trip, to be honest. That's worked out just spot on. I mean, this is one of my favourites, Rat and Killer. Never tasted it, I'm not sure if I want to risk it. I haven't even tried any yet, and I'm still losing the plot me. I think it's gone 11 o'clock. I think it might be gone midnight actually, I've been out this so long. Right, so the next thing we're going to do is start cutting, and I think I'm going to start with these here and get them really nicely framed up. So yeah, on to cutting. So I think this really does just show you how easy it is to cut Shadow Foam pretty much anywhere. All you need is a cutting kit with the gloves, the scalpel, the blades, and then just a bit of time and the foam inserts. You just cut around the items, be it tools, be it camera equipment, or be it all mini alcohol bottles. You just cut around them, peel back the layers, and you can make a really good looking foam insert organiser, even in a hotel room in the middle of the night, with next to no effort. Right, back to the build. Right, so we finally finished. That was a hell, I don't know what I've committed to doing this, to be honest. There's a hell of a lot of foam cutting. It's now 10 to 1 in the morning, and I'm flipping shattered, but we're ready to put the foam in the case. We've got to be quiet because we don't want to wake anyone up. So this is the case. Let's put that first insert in. That is already looking amazing. We've cut in 2 shot glasses and we've cut in the hip flask as well, so I'm really happy with that. We'll do the top one. And that is the ultimate portable minibar. Yeah. wraps it up for the ultimate minibar build. It's 10 to 1 in the morning. I'm knackered. I need a drink. But the only problem now is, where do I start? Where would you start? Let us know in the comments. What is your favourite tipple? Is it whiskey? Is it Grey Goose? I'd love to know, because I feel overwhelmed. And if you've not already, subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you like that video, why not check out some of our others? We've got new videos coming out every week. And Colin Furs, what's the quickest way for people to see these videos?
Subscribe.